So, Pops, thank you sa love. Sa walang sawang love kahit na ang sungit ko. Thank you sa pag-aalaga everyday. Sa pagpapatulog, as in, pinapatulog niya ako. Parang baby talaga. Feeling na baby niya ako. Hindi madali, actually. Hindi madali ang married life. Pero feeling ko, pinadala tayo for each other para kahit paano, hindi man perfect, mag-complement the imperfections natin. I love you! See you later!
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman iyo ko.
Sacrament of matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another.
So, Vicky, kakasalan na tayo ulit. Mula sibil, ngayon simbahan na. Mahal kita. Minamahal kita araw-araw. Love you. See you later.
Lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli
Jasper and Vicky, you
palagi
may now seal your union.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi.
It's good to see that everyone is enjoying this event that the couple prepared for us. Can you just give a big hand to Jazz and Vicky for preparing this grandiose event for all of us? Okay, so
And you're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing in our way, and we got nothing. Let the journey take you where continue, find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the
all
adventure
the way from the
begins.
back, here's the front. You will now see again the Bumpys for the second time. Are you all excited? Let's go!
To be read.
Okay, everybody. Okay, with a round of applause and with a loud shout, let's welcome Jazz and Vicky Martin!
Ay, shucks. Gusto ko yung shot na
Starting to
yun.
see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go.